For my teaching strategies, I decided to use a unit from my Intro to Family and Consumer Science class. This unit teaches students how to make a weekly menu and a grocery list while working within a specific budget. For the instructor-led strategy, I chose a lecture. I chose this because to me that's the easiest way to present the students with the information they will need to use for the rest of the unit. The interactive strategy, I chose a group discussion. I think when students get to talk to each other, they get ideas from each other that they wouldn't have thought of on their own. So I think that can be beneficial when it comes to ideas for how to save money, different menus, that kind of thing. For the individual section, I plan to give each student a different budget and ask them to prepare their weekly menu and the grocery list based off that budget. I think this will really help put their ideas into action because they'll be able to see, how the menus really fit and how much a budget really does or doesn't last. The experimental strategy, I did struggle with this one because I wasn't sure what to do. What I would really like to do is to pick one of the student menus and then go on a field trip to the local grocery store and shop according to their menu and the grocery list that they made. I think it would be very interesting to see if they actually stayed within their budget or if they overspent. Speaking from personal experience, I know that the total on the grocery bill adds up a lot faster than you really think it does. But I think being able to go grocery shopping and actually see how the prices in the store appear as opposed to on paper, I really think that'll just make everything come full circle and make sense. It allows the student to put into practice what you're teaching them. Moving forward, I think this assignment is a big help for me because it really made me focus on one specific strategy at a time. While I use them all in one lesson, breaking it down really helped make the planning easier and to put together, and it made sure that I got the students involved in the learning process.